is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and today we are doing a freehand collaboration. Our theme is snowflakes. I've got two nails here. I'm using Nail Reserve, the base coat. It's called the base. That is already on and been cured. For polish gel, I am using Aqualicious. It is this very, very dark blue. It's almost black, but it is blue. Blue, blue, blue. Just super dark blue, like a midnight blue. These were sent to me a while ago by Nail Reserve LA. Love, love, love their brand. Very super, it's like super, super creamy. Super creamy. Super creamy. I don't know. It's a beautiful, beautiful polish. I like working with them. I only have a nude. So if you see a nude, it's theirs. Here it is. My nude, it is theirs. It is called Beauty in the Nude. So I'm limited. There's a pink I got too, but it's not out because, you know, it's not that time of the year. I got a couple of theirs. Just a couple. I really want to get some more of their polish. I really like it. It's very creamy, like I said. If you've ever tried it, I'm sure you would agree. It's very creamy. Very easy to apply. And this is the color that I chose for my background. So I'm going to pop those in the lamp. Whoops. That's the color I chose for my background for my snowflakes. We're doing freehand, as I said. So, and I'm only doing one coat. It's opaque. There's two methods that I know of. I'm sure there's more to doing snowflakes freehand. One's with starting out with a dotting tool, finishing with a brush. The other one's just a brush. So we're going to try both methods that I know of that I've recently learned because I don't know how to do a snowflake. I'm going to be honest. I'm not good at the freehand department. You know, I'm practicing. I'm learning a little bit here and there. On Polished Nails by Aggie. If it wasn't for her video doing a snowflake a couple weeks back, 2 weeks ago, I wouldn't know how to do a snowflake. She did both methods, and I seen her there. Pauline tried to do it, but I couldn't see it. So I went in search of, and Aggie had just put that video out, and I figured, well, now or never. We gotta learn. So I'm going to try today. And they, unfortunately, my snowflakes come out kind of big. Like on the large side. So we're just taking, make sure I'm up here. Maybe take here as well. Okay, gonna load up my brush now so that it's not just, you know, a dry brush. I have Robin Moses nail art brush, the wand. Oh, I hope I wasn't free, but it's the wand, Robin Moses. It's a wooden handle brush. Now, draw from the center dot. And I'm gonna try my best to use my tip of the brush. Because I usually don't. I use the length of, that's not what you do. Use your tip. To the best of your ability. This is not looking right. not looking right. My lines are too wide. So there's my snowflake. Kind of wonky, but you know, it is what it is. It's my snowflake. The next method is just, now this is how Pauline started out. I know, you make your line, make a K, same thing on the other side. Okay. I'm having a brain fart, Pauline. Oh. Duh. Now you start to make your little lines. Yeah, this is not the best. But this is freehand and I'm just learning, so I'm doing the best that I can. Let me see here. Do that. Should have done that with just an estimate of the Y. Should have left them as a Y. But I didn't, so I gotta add some to these others as well. Make it somewhat symmetrical. So yeah, there we are. There's our other snowflake. Hope I was in frame. I don't have a mirroring app anymore to look and see if I was. Here's our first snowflake. Putting this one in the lamp. So yeah, that is my freehand for today. I think it's kind of fun to learn new things. It's let me move this. It's hard for me learning new things with, how do I put this? Sometimes change is hard for me. But I like learning to do new snowflakes. It was interesting, the 2 new ways, because I had no clue. I just always avoided it. Or stamped. Because, you know, stamping, there you go. You can have a million snowflakes and no 2 are ever the same unless you stamp the same image. So we're gonna, I don't have any Nail Reserve LA's top coat. I just have the base in 3 colors. Check them out. I have a link in my description box, but I don't have a top coat as I was saying, so I'm using my iGel Beauty top coat, my no wipe. I have a link for Nail Reserve as well as a discount code. So go to their website, check them out. Give them a look-see. I know it seems a little pricey, but oh, buddy, when you work with it, it is worth it. And with my discount, I mean, it's a no-brainer. So I'm popping those in the lamp. I'm going to give them a 30-second cure. I have giveaways going on. There are three giveaways. She Modern Saturday. So if I do She Modern Saturday, enter there. I'm sorry. It's for a set of sticky white and black sticky stamping polishes. The second one is for watch time for Hillbilly's Creativity. So if you're doing watch time for Leslie, this is a little incentive for people to do watch time. I'm giving away a set of sticky stamping polish. Put a WT in a video of mine. Any video. Our third, it is a specific video. It's a 2-channel collaborated giveaway, and there is a banner. It's like a poster board with some Christmas decorations around the edges of it. Go there, watch the video in full, read the description box in full for the secret word, and enter there. It's not hard, folks. You know, there's only like 8 people, 7 people entered on my end, and I'm not sure on Leslie's. I think around the same amount. But you don't want to win free beauty products and nail art? I don't know. I don't get it. I don't know. So here are our nails. They are fresh out of the lamp. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. This one's not too bad, I guess. Well, neither one of them are too bad. It's just they're so big. And I can't seem to make them small. I don't know. That's how it turned out. When I started practicing they just ended up really big. Go figure. Go big or go home, right? So that is it for today. That is our freehand for this month. Next month, I don't know what it's going to be yet. So it's a crapshoot. Stay tuned, and you'll be the first or the second to know. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.